Hello, I'm Sing. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. By the way, can we see my nails? They're so cute. If you have been here before, you know that I love thrifting, and I did a whole thrifting vlog, like a challenge with my friends, and we did like a whole photo shoot after that. However, as much as I would love to actually go thrifting, I love the process, I just really don't have the time. With my lifestyle, job, and everything, it's just not necessarily something that I can do consistently. So I've been very much enjoying shopping through who I call professional thrifters on Instagram. And one of my very favorite person to work with is Continuum Vintage, Alicia on Instagram. She is just like the most amazing, like most classy, like put together person, so soft spoken, so elegant, which you will see in just a moment, because today we are doing a thrift bundle with Alicia. I am so excited. I love seeing the thrift bundle videos on TikToks and Instagram and everywhere else, and I just love the fact that someone is going to choose all these outfits for me based on kind of just like a mood board or like a vibe, or you know, just like a direction, like a vacation, travel, etc. I am someone who you call have a little bit of a control issue, especially when it comes to my style. However, I am trying this year to really relinquish that control and like kind of step out of my comfort zone a little bit, because you know, like I like the things I like and I know what I like, but that means I probably buy like the same gingham dress 3 times, or the same floral print, or the same silhouette, you know what I mean?
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
So I am very excited to kind of like branch out a little bit. In my consultation with her, I gave her this mood board right here, which you can see there's a lot of coquette element, a lot of cottagecore. It's so fun, and I love to be a little bit more like, you know, sandally and girl for the summer. I know this right here, not necessarily reflecting that. That's okay, that's why we have a professional. And then with that mood board in mind, she also have a consultation with me, which, can I preface, a little jump scare. I have never looked worse in that weekend of my life. Like, not even kidding. And while she looks just like the most put together, I'm just gonna like put that there that I don't look the best in that interview. We have a consultation and we talk about like sizing, we talk about what I like, what I don't like, what I necessarily like the type of product that maybe not wear. She was asking something about like scarf, which I'm like, oh yeah, I love the idea of scarf, but I never remember to wear them. So that's something that probably she's not gonna source for. You know, just like not have another thing that lying around in my house that I don't use. After those consultation, I think like not even like maybe 2-3 weeks after, she was so fast, I went to pick up the box of mystery that I have not opened yet. Hi! Oh my gosh. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. She's so cute. Yes, all the good things. I'm so excited for her.
So I promised you 10,
Yeah.
but there's 17 in here.
I'm dead.
Yeah, you got your money's worth. Every time I found something for you, I was like, I cannot wait for you to see this. And I already can't wait to see your reaction and do the whole video.
We'll get a full reaction.
Yeah.
For sure. And here it is. This is the box that I have been wanting to open for literally like 2 months. I don't even know how long. I don't know why. Every time I come to film it, there's just something that happens, but today is the day. We're doing it. There's no going back. It's so extremely hot in Seattle right now, and I am sweating. So if you see me just like taking a lot of breath, that's probably why. There is supposedly 17 items in here. I don't know how she fit it all in this box. I'm so freaking excited. So let's just get to it. All right. Ooh. I see a lot of creams and white. Okay, we're just gonna do one by one. This, shut the fuck up. This is the top item. Oh my God, wait, is that a dress? I'm gonna put this down. Oh my God, this is so pretty. This looks to be an off-shoulder, like midi length dress. It is so cute. This looks like real crochet lace over here. Wow. There is no tag, so I'm assuming this is real vintage. There's no lining though, so she's might be a little thin. I'm going to put this on right now. You cannot tell me this is not a dress to go like frolic in the wild. Wow. And yes, it is a little thin. I'm wearing my slip skirt right now, but you can barely tell. And honestly, this top part right here, because it covers basically the whole boobs area, You don't even need a bra to wear with this, which is great because of the off shoulder. She's giving me coastal, she's giving me croquette, not croquette. What is croquette? Is that a food? I think that's a food.
Hey, you know what? It is what it is.
First item, already a winner. Also, I feel like I forgot to say this in the intro, but what Continuum Vintage and I agreed upon was that the bundle are going to be unlimited amount of pieces, but the budget cap that I set was $250. So she could go ham and do whatever with that amount of money. And what it broke down to 17 pieces, it's about $14.70 per piece, which is absolutely a killer deal. I absolutely think I cannot get that value at a regular thrift store. And definitely not at like a consignment store or a personal styling vintage shopping experience. So please keep that in mind when you wash the pieces. Back to the box. Ooh, okay. I mean, white skirt summer. I love this like almost like a butter yellow because of it's like a linen material. So it's definitely, you can tell like the color is very different from this bright white. It is 100% cotton. I love a good natural material. I'm trying to get like very much away from polyester and synthetic fibers right now. Look at the lace. Oh my God. There's like these triangle lace inserts on the bottom. Obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna keep opening, and then if I find a top that works with this, we're gonna try it on. Ooh, talking about top. What? Okay. Is that? It is little duckies. How freaking adorable. I'm a little scared because I don't have anything like this. I don't think I've worn anything like this. Maybe have in the past, but it's so cute. I don't know if this would work with a skirt, but I want to definitely try this on. Ooh, one more cream. It's an Ant Taylor, you guys. It's 100% nylon lining, 75% nylon, and 25% lycra. So this might be a little hot for the summer, but I love the lace material. There's like a little mesh inside. This with a skirt would eat 1 second. You guys, I feel so expensive. Feminine, luxurious. Oh my God. And the skirt, I love the texture and the design of this lace is absolutely stunning. I mean, gorge, gorge, gorge. It is definitely a little thin, so I'm wearing my cakes underneath. And then the skirt don't necessarily need a liner, but it definitely helps. I do feel like I need a belt though. Let me see if she has any belt in here. Ooh, there might be. I might have one belt. Hold on. This jewelries. I grabbed this from the bottom of the bag. Shut up. Wait, this eats so hard. This might be a belt or a necklace. It's a necklace. It's a necklace. I'm feeling like I'm opening all of these like out of order, but whatever. I don't care. Stop. Wow. I know. Can you see? What? Holy shit. Oh my God. Wait, this would be so cute too. Okay, I feel like I need to get out everything and then I will put outfits together because this is crazy. Okay, next thing I have is a Rachel Zoe 100% linen, cute little vest. Ooh, it's like a zebra inspired in a way. Honestly, again, I would have never purchased this myself if I'm like even at the thrift store or at a regular fashion store, but this is really cute. Next one is beautiful. You guys, she is so pretty. Look at the embroidery. I also don't see any tag on this one, so this should be a vintage piece as well. I have been looking for something of this material for a while that I really like, and it seems like a dress. Stop it. Stop it right now. It's a wrap dress. I love wrap dresses. I have such an urge to go to put it on like immediately, but I will hold that temptation. Then we have, ooh, if someone knows how to say that, let me know. This is kind of like a medieval Ren Fair vibe of like a ruffle blouse, you know, like men wear, and then they wear the horse riding pants on the bottom. You know what I'm talking about? It's giving Zorro. It might be my least favorite so far. but I'm curious to see what it looks like on. All right, okay, so we have a very simple tank. The little bow detail, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. Okay, that's a decent combo. I feel like you can dress this in a lot of ways and like be able to layer this as well. We have some corsets. Oh my God, you are not ready. That is beautiful. Legitimately stunning. This is, what is this from? A Goddess Bras. 38C. Okay, I hope this fits. I am like very in between sizes as far as like bras and corsets go, but I would be so upset if this does not fit. It better. Okay, we have just a few more pieces in here. Wait, is this a vest? Okay. I don't know how to this is Kimberly Glenn. I feel like vests don't look good on me, but I really want to be a vest girl. I feel like you either love the design or hate the design. And right now I'm like in between. So I do have to try this on and find out if I can style this or not. I think this is the last piece of clothing. Mackie Barnes. This is 100% polyester. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of that material, but she is very cute. She's giving a little like organza silk. And of course, the embroidery detail. The embroidery detail is very pretty. This is also a 2X, so it's definitely gonna be oversized, which I kind of like anyway, because this is like a overshirt kind of vibe. And then we have these two little pouches on the very bottom. There's a little bracelet. Oh, that's so cute. What does it say? KGL. Is that a brand? I've been wanting to look for more bracelets in general, so she reads my mind. And my God, the pearls. Ooh, we have some brooches. We have a bouquet of roses. Stunning, gorgeous. I love red roses. It's such a like romantic, like beautiful symbols. And then we have something a little bit more different. Like, it's a bow, but it's kind of like more groovy. I got a lot of options. Let me put something together and then I'm gonna show you guys all the pieces I haven't tried on yet right now.
A few moments later.
I take my word back. I'm actually so obsessed with this. It's not a, I mean, it is a top, but I'm wearing as a dress because of how short I am. And it is just like the perfect length. And my slip actually like a little bit poking out. Kind of cute actually. I can see this with like a little bloomer or just like a little lace skirt underneath with a rose brooch here. Just so precious. Little bracelet. And it's so breezy. It's so girly, but still very chic. You killed it, Alicia. This is amazing. 10 out of 10. I put the vest on as well to layer and honestly, kind of eat too. I still don't know how I feel with the vest like by itself, but with this whole outfit, I like it. It's different, it's hippie, it's like, it's giving a little Chloe. Oh, she's ready for the farmer's market. Period. Okay, hear me out. I layer all these three tops together and I actually really like it. It's giving very artsy, art teacher vibe, but because of the like zebra-ish print right here is giving it a little bit more chic feeling. I actually really like the square neckline and the v-neck together. It's like really cute. It's like a lot of visual interest. And I actually really love this top. It's very like breezy. It's giving me a lot of flowy feel, a lot of character. I'm feeling like very coastal grandma, but I don't know, like in like Brooklyn instead. Do we love? I love. I'm very sad to announce I have the first don't love. I love the material. I love the color. I love the idea of the dress, but drop waist is really just not for my body. Like, no, it's just not me, unfortunately. But I can see this style in a way that maybe like this, drop the shoulder, and then maybe like bring this up to like a high waist situation. Do you see the vision? I don't want to discredit this at all. It has a lot of potential. Maybe I give it to my tailor and we can work something out. But I really love the pleated skirt detail and embroidery, like obsessed. So I put the pink top on and I wasn't sure how I feel about it because the silhouette, it's just a little bit too juvenile for me. And then I put the freaking corset on. And you guys, is this not the most cunty outfit you've ever seen? This is so cunt, period. period. I can wear this whole outfit actually, like just wear literally this anywhere. This heart alone is worth $1 million. Not joking, not joking. Shut up, nobody can tell me shit. Let me go book my Hawaii flight right now, y'all. This is a dress. I am definitely wearing this to California and Vegas in September. I am so obsessed with this. The only disappointment is that it doesn't really have a lot of stretch. So my arm, I can't really do moving a whole lot. This is really like pushing the limit of the fabric, but it is very cute, so I will suffer. So I feel that we talked about it already, but can we give another commotion to this necklace? I can't. This necklace, 20 out of 10. All right, I'm saying that was so much fun. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and trying on everything. I'm so sweaty right now and my curls are literally almost flat at the moment, but it was all worth it. I'm starving, so I'm going to go eat and you should too. So like, subscribe, all that jazz, and follow all my other socials on here. And follow Continuum Vintage as well, because I've already said it multiple times, but she absolutely freaking crushed it. I am ready to buy another thrift bundle, like not even lying. All right, see you guys, love ya.